We're having a lot of fun here. Can you tell?
Yes.
Okay,
you
so
read this because you
it's
have to...
Valentine's weekend, and if your boyfriend or your hubby is maybe not so great in the kitchen, kind of a klutz, doesn't really know how to put together a meal, well, we've got something very simple that they can do. Anyone can do. You can't mess it up. Chef Tess, Stephanie Peterson, is her real name, is here. And you brought
my husband Jace, so he's here with us. And we're going to just do some simple basic stuff that is made from ingredients that most people have already on hand, so not rocket science stuff. So right here, we'll just start the pork right away, but we have a pork glazed plum jam.
Okay,
and you can use about half a cup, and it just takes, any kind of jam will work.
Did you make that jam yourself?
I did. Half a cup of this. Yes, then half a cup of this is wild cherry balsamic vinegar.
Where do you find that?
A whole half a cup of this?
Half a cup. I think it might be the whole thing. Let's
you
just
could
use
just
it all.
find that in any store? Wild cherry balsamic?
I got the wild cherries out of Mesa Marketplace. So just mix that up.
That smells really good already.
And then, Rick, if you want to scoop in that's Dijon mustard there and a clove of garlic.
In the thing here that Andrea does?
Right
the whole thing?
Yes.
The whole thing?
If you can stir, you can make the glaze.
You can do this so far, right?
Scientifico right here.
Where do you find that little thing that she's using to stir? I've never seen anything like that before.
I got that from Pampered Chef, like $4.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so then that just spools right over. This is just pork chop and...
Oh, wow, that's good. Just over the top?
Just right over the top.
That's a good idea.
And you cook the pork chops just like that with some onion, and that's it.
Gosh, that tastes good. Just put your finger in
there.
No, look
I know. I could smell it.
It's delicious. Isn't that good?
Very good.
Get the last little bit out. Okay, got that.
So now we're going to do with...
So that just heats up then?
With Jace, we're going to do like the sun-dried tomato blush sauce.
He's licking He's licking the whisk.
This is garlic and tomato... tomato olive oil. So you just smell like, wow.
I didn't know there was such a thing as tomato olive oil.
Oh my gosh,
it's tomato, sun-dried tomato infused olive oil. So simple, basic.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to stir that up, Jace. Just stir that up.
Stir that up.
Okay. Rocket science right there. Okay, then we're going to add a half a cup of tomatoes.
Okay.
About 90 seconds.
Okay. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Now the sun-dried tomatoes give it a real nice zip.
And those are the ones in oil, right?
This is cream cheese.
Okay.
Now here's the secret magic ingredient because sometimes when you get those recipes for blush sauce, you're like, oh my gosh, it's got all that crazy stuff. I don't know.
And they usually put really heavy fattening cream in it.
So this is not a heavy fattening dish right here.
Okay. So we're going to kind of melt that down.
Melt that down. Okay. And then we're going to pour in our broth.
The chicken broth?
Keep stirring. Stir.
Jace, you're doing great.
Jace is amazing. He really is. Woo, you can stir.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's going to start to melt down.
That's going to melt down. Yeah. And then once that's all melted down, we're going to mix in our pasta.
Oh.
And our already cooked
broccoli,
already cooked carrots. And then some mozzarella cheese. And then I have some herbs from my garden, but you can use dry herbs.
Whatever you have.
Whatever you have.
Okay.
Just keep in mind that if you have the fresh herbs, you're going to use about twice as much as the dry. The dry, once it's dehydrated, it shrinks up, and you don't want to use...
Okay.
So
now what you're going to do is you're going to put the pasta in there.
We're going to put the pasta in there. So we're going to stir this all up. Ready?
So
whoa.
They're giving us a wrap. So what we'll probably do
we'll come back
is
to you,
don't drop the towel in there.
Don't drop the towel. Oh my gosh.
We'll come back and then we'll show the presentation.
Once you have it all plated up.
That's really
that
good.
looks so good.
So luscious and easy.
Okay. We'll have to put it together in 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, we need a fork. Well, okay, we'll get a fork.
Okay.
Recipes on myfoxphoenix.com. Click on Morning Show and then recipes.
Coming up next, we're getting ready to play ball. Kristen is going to tell us about all the fun things happening that the D-backs have planned for this weekend at their new place.
Get myfoxphoenix.com on your iPhone free at the App Store and stay connected.